idea.
Somebody's probably gonna go to the hospital.
Hey you guys, we are here today with Nigel, Ryan Jones, Fetty Potter, Gabe Cruz, Carlos the Cthulhu Lastra, and Uzi, who as always is not paying attention. We have possibly one of the dumbest, worst, but also best Gabe Cruz ideas of all time.
Are you gonna be involved in this?
I will be involved.
Yes. Okay.
Here's my thing though, I will be involved as long as I hear no complaining throughout this entire video.
I have an observation. All of Gabe's videos involve a big cleanup.
You'll see, we're actually very smart about this one.
Our legs are numb because we have roughly what, like 40 pounds in each box, not bag, of marbles. Oh no, oh no. No.
Wait.
So if you look, we have 500 in each of these little containers for a grand total 5,000 glass marbles.
Hey, talk about a bucket list.
You're like, I'm gonna buy this thing of marbles. It says, warning, this toy is a marble.
Do you see how big some of these marbles are, Dan? Look at this. This is dumb.
So, hey, Gabe. Now we just by chance have to have marble races.
You know, I think there's gonna be enough marbles left over to possibly have a Braille Marble Olympics. So I think we should all grab some containers of marbles and get going.
Kids never even played marbles back in, like, wow.
Just
Grenade!
This is a terrible idea. This is some Home Alone stuff.
Oh no.
Yeah. I don't know why you thought this was gonna be a good idea. Legit, somebody's probably gonna go to the hospital.
Oh, I think there's glass in my foot.
I don't think he fully understands how like dangerous this is. Look at that.
Oh no.
Now the edges are like serrated.
Are they really? Is it sharp?
Yeah.
These are my racers. I forgot the names of these colors.
Not a good idea. Oh, that's like jagged.
We have one last bag. Fetty wants to grenade it, so I gotta get it in the slow-mo. Go. Grenade!
Got him.
Note to self, if you fall, don't put your hands down. I don't want to fall. Look at this. Look how sharp that is.
Here where I rode.
No shot?
No blood.
I call this the carousel. I just elbowed him in the head. Ow.
5,000 marbles. Stupid skate. Extremely stupid
just
skate.
roll.
So you just roll and do your
You
trick.
have to at least hit 10 marbles.
I think it's gonna be the same
Same as
rules
Legos
Pebbles.
and Pebbles.
Yeah.
You have to start rolling, but if you stop, you can do your trick and it's fine. But we don't want to do it like, we don't want to die, you know? We don't want to like cut off our hands. All right, Uzi? I literally just combined Aussie and Uzi into Uzi.
Why are you sinking? What? Yeah, go for last.
4. Fetty's first, Carlos the second, I'm third, Uzi's fourth, and then Nigel's last. Oh, this looks stupid! I hate myself. Fun. Just don't want to roll your ankle on one. sick person does that. So far, I've caught both my kickflip and my heel flip primo.
Stupid marble. When he tray flipped it, when he popped, one popped up, and when his board came around, it literally like slapped it and just went, phew.
That's good. I don't know how he held on to that one. $5,000 marbles sounds like the loudest rainstorm of all time. Looks like it's gonna be an early exit for me. I want to land this. I didn't want to get out that soon. I actually wanted to play. 1. And that's it for Uzi. He's out. Nigel's at T, Fetty and Carlos are at S still.
So excited! So excited!
I had no idea he was coming and I just went.
Oh, that feels so nice. It's like a back massage.
Dragon Ball Z Fusion Reborn. That's what this reminds me of. Oh no!
Catch me! A freaking walking shard of glass just coming at you. It's like, catch me, no! That was very nice.
I relearned those yesterday.
Apparently all Nigel needs to do to land it is not have Aaron be here.
God, I hate that trick, dude. Jenna Marbles would be so proud.
Stupid.
That's how I felt, Carlos.
Well, good job, everyone. Carlos, you want to do a kickflip with a bunch of marbles on your board?
Shoot.
I didn't even look. Did that look cool? I need safety gloves.
Shoot. What? Shoot. Finally. God, my legs are burning so bad right now.
Alright, where's the blank board? Just give this one go and that's it. Yeah,
That was really cool, actually.
worked really well.
Really?
Just the board just went.
That's awesome. Oh no! Carlos, I'm scared! Wow. That was like snowboarding.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun, extremely dangerous. There's some videos right there that you can check out for more series exactly like this one. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you tomorrow.
I'm on your board too. Oh no.